my friend was charging the bike up in the bracket. Isn't that great? Anyway, my friend went to charge their bike up in the bracket that the two knurled thumb nuts, what do you want to call them, screw onto. It fell. I have hunted underneath, all over, swept the floor. I still cannot find them. But neat thing is, and you can open this up a little bit, and you can actually reach in there, and if you have a camera small enough with light, you can look around and see where the bracket might be, which that bracket is gone. Unfortunately, we cannot find it anywhere. Friends searched, I searched. It is MIA. Nice little toolbox holder there. Heel toe shifter. CB. Isn't that great? Which has a headset. Previous owner put a tachometer on there. Great. So let me get all these tools put up, put everything back. And the bike, by the way, this is Norma Jean. Do you get why? And it does have a windshield, but I have the windshield off so I don't bump into it when I'm walking back and forth.